south of me, I'm fucking deep in Tennessee. With my brothers from the 3, we quick to click and break the peace. No respect for what they.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Juki back with another reaction, and I'm with the boy Flexes.
Oh, I'm waiting for these episodes. I'm gagging.
He's been gagging for these episodes. He's been gagging.
Oh, so gagging.
Fucking episode 13. No, is it? No, it's
No,
12.
12.
It's 12 and 13. That's what we're gonna be doing. And if we're gagging that much, Don, we might have to do
For
15.
what?
But
Yeah,
you
40.
never know. Oh, 14. My head's fucked. Fucking. So yeah, let's get into episode 12. Episode 12. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, Don, he's got a mental.
He's got mental.
Oh shit! Straight away though, Don. So, bruv, I don't get it.
Kicking.
Did he take over like someone's body, or is he that midget? How does that midget turn into a normal sized human being?
He boosted it, innit?
What? So he even boosted his size? Nah, I don't get
Yeah.
it. Nah,
Nah.
that's his power, not his quirk. Mate, you know about he boosted his quirk. Can't boost his height.
No, yeah.
God knows, bro.
I don't know.
Bro, how did it just show us Deku breaking through the wall at the start of the thing, and now he's
I
back
know.
here?
Back here, look.
That's weird shit, bro. Rocklock's fucked. Cunt got chefed. Where's Night Eye trying to shove his abs for? Cunt could have buttoned up his shirt millions of times by now. Skinny little fucking specky little fucking rat.
Got scared. He's fucked, man.
We got Chef, mate. He's fucking shit, bro.
Yeah.
Rocklock, fucking bro. He's a fucking hater as well.
He's not 80 now.
Yeah, because he got whacked. And he can't do shit himself.
He's shit.
Shit cunt. He's so scared.
She's actually scary, though, man.
She's actually a bit scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's just completely skits, bro.
These two are schizo. These two
Plotting
actually.
setting, bro. These men are gonna third party.
Yeah, they're gonna throw party.
Is this it? Is this it? Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Here we go then, Don.
Let's get it.
We haven't seen Deku fight in time, bro.
No time. It's hard, man.
He's fought, man. He's been stabbed like 2 times.
Look at him, man. He's got both.
Is his crit running out? Oh, it's fucking thingy. Nah, he's fucked now.
He's raced.
He's fucked. Bang him, Deku. Chrono.
What? Wait, what?
We didn't see his crit.
No. It's...
Oh, does it put him to sleep? What does it do? Oh no.
He's fucked.
Rev, how are they not getting chefed? Look at him, man, with his little spotty chicken pops arm. Isn't it, Rev?
Pissing me off, me. You little fucking
Oh no, he's gonna heal him. Wait. What the fuck was that? Don, what's going on?
Nah, he must have absorbed him. What's that in?
Nah,
Oh,
what's
assembled
going
him.
on, Rev? No!
He assembled. No, he assembled himself with that guy.
He's fucking nuts! He's fucking nuts! How did me? That's OP, bro.
Oh my god.
Face.
You can't do nothing. 8 bullets after. Slowed.
Fuck. Look at Overhaul's face, bro. And look at his arms. He's looking like that cunt from Ben 10.
Forearm.
I can't believe he can do that though, Don. Like
Nah,
fuse
it's
his
OP,
body. I can't believe that. He's so OP. He can bring people back to life and he can fuse with people. Fuck, man. Mate. How's he lost it forever though? Did they upgrade the bullets that good? Don.
Nah, they can't. He can't have lost his.
I don't even see Deku beating him at this point though, man. This guy's fucked. He's next level, man.
I don't know they're beating him.
That's what I think. Look, there's no way he perfected it. What's he gonna do, Don?
I don't know. He's gonna do some skits because of the speech.
He's gonna do something skits, Don. That's kind of fucked though. He's the only person to ever see his death, and like he's the only person to see All Might's death like before anyone, before even All Might dies.
He's gonna do some skits. What's gonna happen? What's gonna
So
happen?
can. This is actually tight on her, little man. No.
Night Eye. Oh.
Nah.
Oh my god. Future. No, but he.
Has to exist. Doesn't exist.
He's nuts. What? He's nuts. Oh my god.
Bro, I got goosebumps like fuck, Don. I mean, I got goosebumps, man. Night, I just fucking died, bro.
I know, man.
And he was looking in the future, and all he could see was Deku getting fucking one tap. Oh man.
Nah, I can't. I don't know what Deku can do, man.
Manchester Smash.
But that's not enough, man.
Oh, I know, man. It's just gonna grab him or something, bro. We'll just...
He's oh,
Nah, Don.
that was his full future. I don't even know, man.
Bro, Lemillion's gonna fucking bleed out, man. Nah, Don, bro. Look.
What, man? Deku, go skates, man. What the hell's going on? Like, he's actually just bleeding out, like.
I can't believe it, bro. His legs. Oh, his leg and his arm. He's like sick in the head, man. Don, he's like sick in the head.
They didn't
What?
even get anywhere. They didn't even get anywhere. She's gone back to him.
Nah, Deku has to beat him, bro.
Nah, Deku has to go skates, man.
Deku, please, bro. Don, Deku has to beat him. He has to fucking kill him, mate. Fuck that.
Go skits, Deku. Go skits.
Oh no, please go skits, bro. Who's that? A gang.
I
Some
want to see
gang.
the fucking gang though. I want to see Deku go skits.
Ready? 13. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh bro, if you know when they smash through the floor, they might not. They might have just been in the middle of a scrap with this cunt. That guy's gonna be fucked here, not. The fuck was that?
ある日、旦那があの子に触れようとしたら、肉体すべてが消えちまったらしい。どちらの家系にも全く類似しない力が発現したんだ。突然変異、ミューテーションってな。呪いなんかじゃねえ。ごく稀にそういったことはあると聞く。
So what the fuck does it do? What does it do?
恐ろしい。これがエリの構成。巻き戻す構成。
What?
Rewind?
What?
Is she gonna like rewind everything? Nah, come on, bruv. Fuck that. Rewind everything.
No, not to that time. No. That's time away.
What?
That's
Where's she
time
going?
away. Do you know that time where they met in the alley?
That's time away. Don, that's time away though.
Nah, that's extra. Nah, they won't do that.
Look at her, she's diving into his arms now.
Oh.
Look at her horn, Don. She's gonna rewind it, isn't she?
Yeah.
Anime's fucking skits, Don.
Nah.
How the fuck do people not watch anime? I don't even know, mate. How do people not watch anime?
Go fucking skits, Deku. I swear I go skits. I go skits. Ah.
What did she do? She rewind everything.
She rewinded it.
Her cracks fucking nuts. What happened, Don?
Wait, what? Huh? You
Did
gonna-
he?
That's what I'm thinking. Wait, what?
He's gonna fuse with that wham cunt.
Wait, did he use them?
Wait.
You foresee this, though.
But she's doing something, Don. I don't get it.
Oh,
Don, bruv.
big thing.
His injuries are healed.
She might heal him though. Boost. She boosts it.
What's going on? His body can't handle it, I'm guessing. She was boosting him, wasn't she? You're right though.
Yeah.
Your quirk's fucking cursed, mate. You're a
No,
freak,
baby,
mate.
that's what I'm saying. Your quirk is cursed.
Damn, we waited ages to watch these episodes. We waited too long, bruv.
Nah, go skits!
No, look at him! Cunt's going Super Saiyan! Look at his hair, bruv! Don, bruv. Well, Mike don't look like that when he goes skits, like, what's going on, like?
Nah, this season.
This season's the best season ever, mate.
Nah, this season's the best season ever, mate. I swear.
And the thing is, yeah, people overhype My Hero, innit? Because it appeals to like the
Yeah,
normies,
obviously.
the
They
normies
do.
of anime. It appeals to them, but bruv, this season's actually nuts, isn't it?
This season's actually nuts.
Look at him, Don.
That's OP, man. That's extra.
That's how quick he was.
That's
Oh my god. Look at him, bruv. I'll go fucking mental, bruv.
nah, but no one understands, like the previous seasons were overhyped. This one is hype. For real, like.
2 episodes in a row, I've been speechless, Don. Mate. I don't even know what to think though, Don. There's so much shit going through my head right now, man. Season's fucking skits. They don't mean nothing to him, bro. He's a fucking loser, mate. He's a little weirdo. Little fucking creep.
You're kidding, man.
Don't tell me he injured his dad, that's why his dad's fucked, bro.
That guy's head's fucked, man.
So he fucked his dad up, yeah? He's fucked him up, but he's keeping him alive so when he succeeds his plan, then he'll make him healthy again and show him that he did it. His dad doesn't even want that, man. Bro, this cunt's a titan, Don. This cunt's a titan right now, man. Look at Deku's flying around.
This guy's a schizo, man.
Oh my. Look at his eyes, man. I actually can't, bruv. Look at him.
Nah. Deku looks like a right boss right now.
Bruv.
Wait, what?
Deku in this form got to be the strongest cunt in this whole anime. Fuck that. Even All Might don't look like shit like this, bruv. Look at him. What is that? Don.
Oh my!
What is that?
I don't know, but he's banging him. He's banging him. He's.
Look at him.
Oh.
Oh, Don, this animation's fucking nuts.
Deku's the strongest ever. Hey, Deku's the strongest ever. In this form right now, Deku's the strongest ever.
Don, that's one of the best anime fighters I've ever seen. Don, that's one of the best anime fighters I've ever seen, bro. I'm not even joking. That's up there with Luffy Doflamingo, Don, I swear, mate.
Nah, that every bitch is boosting him to fuck though, Waz.
He killed him. Look at him, look at him. No, Don. This anime's fucking nuts.
Nah, Deku! I swear I got scared.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Mate, Night Eye seen all of this, Waz.
That was easily the best 2 episodes of My Hero ever so far.
Ever. This season is
Honestly.
been hyped.
I'm not even joking, babe. Don,
This
that fight,
season- no,
yeah,
but-
Don, that fight, the animation, everything, the music, the settings, everything, babe. That was one of the
Mad.
best anime fights I've ever seen. I'm not even joking.
To seeing Deku from season 1 to him now.
That fight right there, yeah, mate, that was up there with Luffy Doflamingo and Naruto versus Pain. That fight was fucking nuts, mate. That fight,
Fuck, man.
mate. There's actually too much shit to talk about, mate.
Nah.
Nah,
I'm still
Don.
speechless. Just think, yeah. Deku when mate, Overhaul had no chance.
Bruv.
Is that Deku at his full form? That's OP.
Bruv. Too much shit happened. So in 12, Deku busts through the wall with a razor and Night Eye. Lemillion was so fucked, he tried to escape with Eri, and he's fucked outside, like in the hall. Night Eye gets fucking stabbed massively through his chest. How is he gonna survive that, Don? How's Night Eye gonna survive that? He's got a massive fucking rock in him. Unless Eri does something, innit?
That's what I was thinking, like Jackie should be able to reassemble them. Cause
That's what she
Dad
has to, both. Night Eye's got a massive boulder in him. And then Deku tried fighting him. Eri came back. Eri fucking came back. She didn't want anyone else to die, innit? Eri came back, but then as she was getting taken away, fucking Lemillion's cloak on it or whatever, his cape. She's seen it and it reminded of him. It reminded her of the words that you said, innit? Inspired her and shit, telling her he'd be a hero and shit. And then, fuck no, she did a madness.
I'm still confused on that quirk though, because she can do like multiple things, innit?
Mate, her quirk is fucking nuts. It's literally, I think it's just reverse. It can reverse anything probably, like, that's mental. That's mental, mate.
Yeah, but her horn, what's
I
her
don't know.
horn doing?
It's just fun. It's probably just like where her body. It's just because it's a mutation. He said, innit?
Yeah.
So her body's just mutated, innit?
She,
Her body's just mutated, bruv. And yeah, then the next episode, hey, the scrap was on, like Deku versus
I'm just
Overhaul.
still speechless. I actually can't speak this outro. Like, I'm just thinking about that fight.
Mate,
Yeah.
Deku fucking turned Super Saiyan blue, like that cunt. He's blue, mate. His eyes were blue. He was going mental, man.
Nah,
He was designed so perfectly, innit? That's perfect for him.
that's what I mean. Like, Super Saiyan's a bit extra. Like, it's like, like I'm making some mad sound. His was just like, eyes are skits. It's fucking little glow around him and just look hard. Like,
That he was perfectly designed. That they've done good with that, bro.
Like,
This season though, they've actually done nuts. Like that is fucking mental. This season so far, especially these past 2-3 episodes, and that they've upped the level, bro. They've actually upped the level, like. And like I was saying earlier, innit? You know My Hero, innit? It's a newbie anime, innit?
yeah.
Because it appeals to like the non-watchers, innit? Because it's a superhero, innit? They think it's superheroes, like obviously it is, but a lot of the noobs watch My Hero,
Nah,
innit?
that's what I mean.
And it gets
People,
hate,
like,
don't it
no,
gets
like,
hate?
You know, yeah,
'Cause
like,
obviously-
you know, like the newbie animes, yeah, like they was like hyping up all these previous seasons, like.
That's what I mean, bro. So imagine,
They're like,
no, but Don, that's what I mean. The previous seasons of this year, it won awards because the noobs love it, innit?
yeah, obviously,
love it.
like,
But mate,
More
this
attention,
season's
innit?
definitely gonna win another award, but it
Obviously.
deserves it. Like this
Yeah.
this one actually deserves it. This season deserves it.
that's what I said. Remember I was saying like before, like I watched this season, I was saying, yeah, My Hero's sick, but it's not like the best, like, because obviously I've watched better animes.
Obviously,
Mate,
trust.
Mate, this season though, Waz, it's moving it up, mate. It's moving it
moving up in
like,
the ranks, isn't it? Trust me.
yeah, it's moving up, like.
That's what I mean. People hate on it, innit? Like, Rev, don't get me wrong, I hated on it a bit, like, do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
because
same,
it's
like,
not the
yeah.
best, innit? Rev, but this season, innit, it's proving people wrong. It's proving the people like us wrong, innit? I swear.
It's proving us wrong, Raz. Proper.
I'm glad it is, though, innit?
Yeah.
Because the new age anime is just gonna be nuts, innit? It's gonna continue to get
Do
better.
you know what? Mario did have potential. That's why he's doing so good. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Nah,
that's
nah,
what-
mate, I've always
he
believed in
deserves,
it,
like,
innit? I've always
yeah,
believed
he
in it.
deserves-
But I
he
just
deserves,
thought the past
like,
few seasons, innit?
mm,
It shouldn't have won
yeah,
that many
like,
awards.
Yeah.
Because obviously, bro. But it's gone to, innit? Because it's biased because of the noobs and stuff. But
Yeah.
that's what I mean. It's actually got potential, man. Especially this season.
The way they've made it out, like, it's so sick.
The quirks we've been introduced to in this season as well.
They've planned it out perfectly.
These quirks are
Wow.
fucking nuts, mate.
They've planned it out perfectly.
So
I'm still worried
good.
about the million as well, like. That cunt's bleeding out. the
Something's
back.
gotta happen, man. Something's gotta happen. We'll get into them episodes soon, though, innit?
We're getting
Tomorrow.
ready. Yeah, tomorrow. Shit, tomorrow.
Fuck, man. Hey, come then. We'll be back tomorrow, though. Innit?
Sure.
Hey,
After the episode.
it's been Juki, I'm Flexes, and we're out.
Safe.
Safe.